Try right now to think your way out of a craving. Argue with it. Reason with it. It doesn't work, and there's a reason. The part of you that reaches for a drink is not your reasoning brain. It's your nervous system, and you don't talk to a nervous system. You calm it through the body. Welcome to week 3 of the Sober Advantage. So far, you've built your why, your experiment, and your environment. All excellent, all top down. This week, we go bottom up into the body because lasting change has to happen there too. This is recovery as nervous system medicine. Here's the core idea. Cravings and stress live in the subcortical brain, the old, fast circuits underneath conscious thought. When those circuits are lit up, no argument reaches them, but you have a back door. Change your physiology, and the state changes with it. That's why we begin with restorative yoga, not the achievement, sweat, and strain kind, but the kind whose entire purpose is to switch on the parasympathetic nervous system and let you down out of stress. You'll learn 7 recovery poses: mountain, child's pose, legs up the wall, cat-cow, seated forward fold, supine twist, and corpse pose. 2 minutes of mountain pose interrupts rumination by bringing your attention back into the present body. And the single most prescribed practice in this entire course is legs up the wall for 15 minutes before sleep. Simple, almost embarrassingly easy, and remarkably effective. Then meditation, and here the science is striking. Sarah Lazar at Harvard found that long-term meditators have measurably thicker gray matter in the prefrontal cortex, the very region alcohol suppresses. Meditation and alcohol reduction work on the same brain system from opposite directions. One builds, the other stops the erosion. 15 minutes a day is the minimum effective dose, and consistent restorative practice has been associated with cortisol reductions around 40%. Your assignment this week is a 7-day yoga and meditation log, 1 short yoga session, and 1 15-minute meditation each day, with a note on how your stress metric moves on the days you practice versus the days you don't. Don't take this on faith. Put it in your body for 7 days and read your own data. See you in the practice.